Hey everybody, I know I haven't put a video up in a while. I've been really focusing on my own trading and getting my strategy really dialed in. So I thought I'd put this little video up with just some of the trades I've taken over the past couple of weeks. Some of them are from the Discord group and the live streams, so you'll hear live commentary. Some of them were just me trading on my own, so I'm going to add some voiceover commentary here in the video just to give you a sense of what is going on. All right, so in this trade, basically price just broke below this teal zone. It's a 1 minute zone. I'm watching a 15-second chart here, and as I saw it holding that zone and then kind of break below the little support it was forming, I jumped in short, basically taking it down to VWAP. Pretty straight up, simple trade.
Target filled. Target filled.
Similar idea here. You'll notice all my trades are really similar. So price was pushing up a little bit, made this very minor pullback and a small little support and resistance zone. Price just came down, tested that zone, made a little wick, basically showing that the buyers are holding that area. I jump in long, taking it up to the first target is where that yellow zone is up above. That's actually a 5 minute zone that I have. And then the second target up there is at just below VWAP again. Do have like this little bit down here as well, where again it's just we see the market really struggling to get below that level. It kind of pierced it, rejected, and then sort of holding. If we break below this, we get some closes below this. It's going to be tough right at the open because volatility changes, but I would anticipate that if we get some closes or even a retest underneath here, that then we get more selling down. Anyhow, here we are. Market's trying again to get below this level. Let's keep an eye on it. We might pop up at the open, retest that and drop down. If so, that might be a good area to look for sells.
Order filled.
I'm gonna jump in this right here. See if we can't just take it down. All right, so that orange zone that we just got below is actually a 15-minute zone, and I'm watching price hold below that. The yellow one above was a 5-minute zone. You can see we held that and pushed down, and there's really nothing below this 15-minute zone. So I didn't take that 5-minute one because the 15-minute was right there, but now that we're below this 15-minute zone, there's nothing below us. This is a 15-second chart. You can see price held the zone, formed that very minor support underneath, and as we broke through that support, a jump in short. Basically just going for about a 1.5 R on this trade. All right, similar idea here. The teal zone below price is a 1 minute zone, and then price had formed this little minor resistance here on the 15-second chart, this little blue box. And I'm looking for price to get above that and hold it like it's doing now. You can see it's holding above that level. And then as it started to push up, I just jumped in long. Probably should have waited for that little retest that it just got. My first target is just below VWAP here. Second target, I'm going for just above VWAP. price was just hesitating here right at VWAP, so I decided to actually kill this trade right here. It did actually continue higher, but it was just giving me enough reason to just take my money and run, so I killed it right there. See in this area hold. So far the buyers are still holding that zone. We've rejected twice at the top though. I'm getting ready to short. Let's see if I can't get in. Oh, it's gonna go without me.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get in here. See if this holds. Should be all right here for some more downside, hopefully. All right, let's see. So we start to see buyers trying to hold it in here.
Order submitted.
Let's get ready with an order. I'd like to get short. Trying to enter on limits because I've had a lot of issues with bad fills lately, but this is kind of biting me. Let's see if we can't take this down. Get 60 points on the first contract. I don't want to be greedy with the second contract because there was some buying pressure down here. Come on, fill me, fill me, fill me. Oh, that was brutal. That's not nice. Come on. Don't do me like that. Come on.
Order,
there it is.
Order canceled.
There we go. All right, got both those. Very nice. Be looking to see us get and hold above this area here on the 16.75 area. There it goes. I was kind of hoping it comes down and retests a little bit. It might just go. That's annoying. That's annoying. I don't want to get in here. It feels like chasing. I mean, risk-wise, it's not bad, but it does feel like chasing. There we go. Let's see if it holds at this test here. I'm gonna try and get in here. Don't have a ton of risk on this trade at this point. Just looking for it to get another push upward. It's gonna retest this zone. I want to give this a little bit of room here, just in case it pokes a bit lower into that zone. That's a good sign right there, actually. If it pops back up, that's a really good sign. If not, then, you know, we kind of want to be out of the trade anyway. That's good. This just needs a little bit of a pump. Some good volume coming in would be nice. There we go. There we go. Come on now, hold it. That's the kind of push we want to see. At this point, if this comes back down, I probably want to be out. This is the area we struggled to close above before, so if we hold this, it's a bullish sign. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's try and get this. So close to my target. I didn't want to let it come back. It's probably going to keep going to the full one. Come on now. I'm going to trail this bar by bar on this last piece. I'm ready to quit the trade though, if I need to. So close to that target. Come on now. Go all the way. Go all the way. There it is. Okay. So not a bad trade. I got about 1.5 R at the end of the day between the two targets on that. Getting back up near VWAP would be probably nice. As far as retracements go, we're up into this area. This previous support would be a nice area to look for this retracement to get into. So what we're looking for now is to, like, you know, we don't have any structure here on the 15-second to break. This 1 minute range and the 15-second range are kind of the same. But what we want to see are, are there any areas that we can look at as saying, hey, the sellers here, the buyers scooped it up, the sellers got below, but they got back above it, the buyers scooped it up again. Let's start to see if we get some structures, some resistance, some structures to lean on, to short against. Right now we don't really have much. We almost need this to make like a complex pullback here, a multi-leg pullback like we did here. Let's see if this zone holds as something of interest for us. I'd like it to form something up a little bit higher, to be honest. See if we get a retest here. I like that. See if it can hold. I think I'm going to get in this. So far, so good. Probably bring our risk down a little bit here. At this point, if it pops back up, it's probably no good. Might want to bring this up a little bit. We got these wicks here. There we go.
Canceled.
Put this here. See if it can't pump down again. I'd like to get that second target. It's just it's near that hourly zone, so we want to be kind of careful there. I'll bring this up just a touch. No, it's going to take me out. That's okay. Small little gain on that.